All right, what's going on, YouTube? In this video, I'm going to be basically just remaking one of the videos that I had go viral over the past week. I'm going to show you guys like every single step of this process and kind of what it looks like behind the scenes. For those of you guys who watched my last YouTube video, I kind of broke down the framework that I used for those two videos that are doing pretty well right now. So in this one, I'm just going to make another one so you guys can really just go out and copy this. And it'll probably work for you too. So let's go in. For those of you guys who haven't seen it, actually not that many people saw my last YouTube video, so maybe you haven't seen it yet. So I'll play it. I know unfortunately we don't have the fireplace in the background. I was thinking about bringing the TV, like putting it behind my desk, but I was like, all right, chill out, bud. You don't need to be going that hard for the video. Anyway, let's do this. The video I posted yesterday slowly starting to creep up here. We'll see if that one makes some noise. But the one that I'm going to be reposting here or redoing is this one with 603,000 views. I made one that was very similar like 2 weeks ago. You can see the painful hiccup stopped here. That had 254,000 views. So it's the same clip that I used, this same hook. I just am kind of switching up the framework a little bit to hopefully get the next video that I post to go even more viral, which was the case in this one here. So I'm going to use the same clip, same type of framework. I got a little script here that I'll show you guys in a second. But yeah, let me just play this video so I'll show you guys what we're going to be doing.
It's uncomfortable, right? Or... Okay, so you want to try now the hick away?
Yes, sir.
People have a lot. They get triggered at everything, right? People have a lot to say in the comments. I don't think I've ever commented.
Yeah, the much more you can drink and swallow it, it will stay longer because. By the way, did you put in an adult or a child? You know which
Adult.
Adult. Yeah. I'm gonna wait for. You good? I'm glad it worked for you.
The straw he was using here is a recent Shark Tank product, and it's pretty crazy how it works. It's designed by Dr. Safety here, and this had sharks giving reactions like this.
I save a lot of time. I love it. But this, I guarantee you, this will become part of everybody's medicine cabinet. Guaranteed.
I've been seeing this thing like everywhere since that episode. Not sure why it took this long, but if you guys want to check it out for yourself, I'll add it right here to the video for you. Highly recommend going in and taking a look. All right, so there's the video. Let's go in. Let's run that bad boy back, huh? All right. I gotta link this thing back up, switch the desk around a bit. Hey, sit tight while I'm doing this. You can, if you want to go down and hit that subscribe button and like the video for me, that'd be pretty tight. Thank you. Okay. How many TikTok shop affiliates does it take to screw in a boom mic? All right. So here's a little script I put together here. So I'm going to use that same intro clip, but I think what I'm going to do is have the clip just like paused on the screen and then do a voiceover and be like, why is nobody talking about this? Something like that. Then I'll play the clip and then I'm going to say, this doctor is really shaking it up. You finally don't need to use, maybe I'll switch this up. You can finally stop using all the weird methods like holding your breath, eating peanut butter, and whatever else you do to stop them. Okay, that'll get people going in the comments likely. You call them out specifically, and then they're going to be like, eating peanut butter works. Just hold your breath. You know, all their ways that they have, right? But then I'm going to kind of start explaining the product and selling it, so it's designed in a specific way. All right, so you guys can kind of see the rest of the script here. So yeah, the way I'm going to structure it is kind of have that like shock factor right off the bat. So they're going to see someone in the hospital drinking from a straw. I'm going to say that it's a Shark Tank product. So they're going to be like, what is this? Hopefully keep watching. Then I'll play the clip, suck them in, try to get them up to that 15, 20 second point, right? That's the ideal watch time to get videos to absolutely rip. This is probably where I'm going to show the Shark Tank episode. Yeah. Okay. So let's find the video. Let's go into YouTube. Okay, so this was it right here. So what I do is I just take a video. I'll show you guys like how I do this here, but I literally just take a vid of the screen. It's worked for me. Like, it works for a lot of other products too. Like, where you're just taking a video from YouTube, not screen recording it, but like taking a video of the computer. And I've seen this work for like literally hundreds and hundreds of videos. So let me go in. Let me just record this clip because this is going to be the bulk of it. So start this. Back it up a bit. Might not be able to see, but nothing too crazy to see here. Just recording the screen.
It's uncomfortable, right?
Got that clip, so that's going to be the bulk. Now, what I'm also going to do, again, like I said, I'm going to do a voiceover. You don't have to do a voiceover. I'm going to use this camera and this mic to do the voiceover just because the microphone on my camera sucks. So you definitely don't need to do voiceovers. It's actually way easier if you don't. Like, what I would do is just use your phone and just be like, why is nobody talking about this? And use like the camera audio. But I got to take one extra step here. But just know I'd rather do it on just my phone. So don't think you need a camera and a mic to make these videos. Show you guys all these clips first. So I'll get a couple like behind the scenes of like the Shark Tank. Okay, so let's do this. Again, this is just going to be B-roll. This. All right, so that's a B-roll I can use. See, I moved the camera around. I had one dude comment on the videos. He was like, maybe you should move the camera in and out and zoom in and out more. It's like, dude, maybe I will. You know, maybe I should. Maybe the next video I post will just be like, woo, 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 like, oh my God, this new straw. It would probably work, honestly. So maybe I'll do that. Maybe you should move. Amazing. People are. I'm going to read this voiceover now. So I'm going to have to pause the video and read this. All right. I just did the voiceover. Now I'm going to get some B-roll here. Let's do this. Keep it simple, boys. Keep it simple. I could use the tripod, but I'm not gonna because I don't want people thinking you need a tripod. So let's do this. Ready? This is gonna be like B-roll of the straw, so actually showing it. So just do this right here. But I'm gonna say it's designed in. Let's put this bad boy in water. Here we go. Here's the little call to action right at the end. Let's take it out. So go in. I'll add it right here to the TikTok shop for you. All right, that should be good enough. All right, let's throw all this into iMovie and get chopping. It's time to get chopping, boys. So yeah, time to chop this bad boy up. Let's see how she looks afterwards. You don't need to use iMovie. You can use CapCut or TikTok. They're both pretty good. But all right, so here's the voiceover. This is how I shoot the voiceover. You want to see that? Why is nobody talking about this new hiccup straw from Shark? Very active with the hands. You got to get into it. But all right, I'm going to chop this up. You probably don't want to watch me do all this. I'll show you the end product here. All right, folks, we got the video uploaded here. I'm going to put some text on it, so just hit text, auto caption, generate. This is pretty quick, and then we'll get it uploaded to TikTok. But yeah, I think it came out pretty good. All right, let's do. Why isn't I like put this up towards the middle? Make sure everything's good. All right, so I'll save it. I'll show you guys the video, and then we'll upload it, and I'll show you like the text that I put on the screen to help kind of keep people engaged throughout the whole video here. All right, we got that done. All right, let's play it quick. Nobody talking about this new hiccup straw from Shark Tank. Like, they literally even have them in hospitals now.
It's uncomfortable, right? Okay, so you want to try now the hip away?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm gonna wait for. You're good.
Thank God for this doctor right here. You can finally stop using all the weird methods like holding your breath, eating peanut butter, and whatever else people do to stop the hiccups. But it's designed in a specific way here where you literally just put the straw in water and drink through it. Kind of unreal how it took this long to make this. But I'll add it right here to the TikTok shop for you guys. Highly recommend grabbing one before they sell out again. All right, there we go. Hey, a couple smooth transitions in there, huh? All right. Anyways, let's get this bad boy uploaded. Let's do this. Select. Put the volume all the way down so I don't have to listen to myself yap as I'm editing this. All right, let's make the top caption. It's even in... There we go. It's even in hospitals now. This will make people be like, what? Like, what's even in hospitals, right? Like, what is it? It's even in hospitals now. Let's do this. I'll put it for like 12 seconds. Let's do like this. Maybe I'll just do like cup, straw. Make this like small. Just so people kind of have an idea of what it is, but not really. Yeah, maybe I'll put it up there. Yeah, okay. Let's do this. So people are going to be like, they're going to see that it's like, it's even in hospitals now, kind of start to question it and be like, hiccup straw? Like, what is that, right? All right, so let's do this. Hiccup straw, make this a little bigger. Let's add one more. These there. Show them how it works live, right? So let's do... Let's do this. Let's do no hiccups once it works. This is kind of what I did on the last one. Let's do right here. Okay, so what do I have for... All right, let's see this. I think this is pretty good here. Maybe I'll make this red. Yeah. Even have them in hospitals now. Go. This is what I do for call to actions too, just so people know where they can buy it. Let's do this. Drag this to the end. Last like 5 seconds. Put it right there. All right, I think this is good. So we'll see. Why is nobody talking about this new hiccup straw from Shark Tank? Like, they literally even have them in hospitals now. Maybe I'll do like some... Add some... Just make it look good, right? All those emojis. People are going to be scrolling and be like, what is this, right? Or at least that's what I hope. How this works live. And then I'm going to say, like, stops hiccups in real time, maybe. Let's do that for 5 seconds. Why is nobody talking about this new hiccup straw from Shark Tank? Like, they literally even have them in hospitals now. Do this. So now people are still going to watch it there. Okay, so I think that's good. I'm going to make this a little longer. Do that right there. Okay. All right, I think this is solid. So yeah, I'm going to go in. I'm going to stop here. Let's do this just so it doesn't mess with the posting. I'm going to go in. I'm going to upload this. And yeah, we'll see how it goes. Hopefully it works. Maybe it won't, right? That's the beauty of TikTok. This thing could go absolutely giga viral and get like millions of views, or it could absolutely flop and get like no views, right? So that's kind of the framework I use. If you guys haven't seen this video already, go and check that out. Okay, it's the last one I posted. Kind of breaks down the framework a little more, but I wanted this video to be like more behind the scenes, like where I find the clips, how I do the B-roll. Again, I didn't show the editing part because most of you won't be doing that. Like I recommend just doing it all on your phone, so you don't need a voiceover or anything like that. But yeah, that's just do it clip by clip if you want to script out the videos. But that's how I do it. Hopefully that helped you guys out. Like the video for me. If it did, subscribe to the channel. Join our creator group on School. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.